Today we're going to be covering how to set up an @mentionable agent inside of Microsoft Teams. In order to do this, you're first going to need to have a designated user in your Teams tenant to call into. Typically, I would recommend having a user dedicated to this purpose. In this case, we created the Centro service agent with a unique email, with a avatar, and this one does not have any other admin policies. So this is just this a default user in this case, but you will need to know the username and password in order to authorize this agent user to be called from Centro. Once you have that, you'll come into the Centro app in Teams, go to the Agentforce tab, and then the gear button. You'll have to have previously connected your agent to a connected app in Salesforce, and that's in a different support video and article. So we're assuming that's already set up. And then you'll find this user-based agent that can be mentioned. In this case, you can see it's already configured. But when you click Authorize Centro, this will prompt you to log in as the newly created Centro Service Agent user. Go ahead and fill in the credentials, and then this will show that new user as being configured. Okay, the next step is to go to the channel or chat that you would like the user to be, or the agent to be working in. Okay, so now we're going to add the agent to this channel. The first thing we want to make sure is in the team. You go to Manage Team under Apps, that the Centro app is there. If it's not there, click More Apps and then follow the dialogues to add it. And then we want to add the Centro, whatever you called your agent, as a member to the team. And then when you @mention the agent, you're going to get an @mention from the Centro bot, and it will ask you to finish configuring the agent by selecting which conversations to listen for. So when you click Setup, you will see a list of agents. You'll select the one that's appropriate that you want to associate that agent user to. And once you're done, you can select a conversation. So you have multiple conversations listening for, and then when we go back to that chat, and @mention the agent, the agent will reply appropriately. Let us know if you have any questions.